Hey guys, I'm working on some birthday gifts, and I had made a bunch of these, and I have forgotten to video this and show you guys what I was doing. I go to Homeworld and I pick up these little plaques, and they're just made from plain wood, and they're $3. They're made from pine. I have primered this and I've painted it. I've got a second one over here, and you can see the mistake. I leaned it so the paint's running, but I need to paint to seal, and these edges will seal up better. But it's got a nice bevel to it and stuff like that. The thing that I was doing, and I forgot completely about this to do a video and show you guys, is that these are what they look like after I get done with them. You can take your family crest and print that out and have them laminated. And what these little tacks are, these are tacks. These are called upholstery tacks. And you find them in the wood section at the Homeworld. And they're used on upholstery and stuff like that, but they look neat when you attach stuff down. You can see I've got a couple made right here. This is a print out of one that I'm making for my mother, and I wished I could have got all these neat little floral stuff with this one, but I had the dangest time on getting my phone to send an email to Home Depot. Well, I was at Office Depot to get the printing and the laminating done. And after I finally got two of them sent, one's for my brother's son, and this will be for my mother. And I'm going to cut these out and put them on the plaques like that. So I'm working on these to paint them. Like I said, I've first primered them, and now I'm painting them. And this is a old cheap paint you get at the Dollar General, and it works great. And this is what I used, what's called the heavy gauge, or the heavy laminate. It really doesn't matter. I mean, as long as you laminate them, it makes them permanent in there. But with them little tacks, you could probably glue it down. It doesn't matter. But look how nice that would look hanging up on the wall, you know. And these are just neat little gifts, and people appreciate stuff like this. So I just now thought about it. Said, man, I ought to make a video about that. So I'll gonna repaint these and get them all good looking, and I'll cut them down to size and kind of fit them in, and just tack these in. What I normally, you can get down and use your thumb and press them in, and then just tap them in. Nothing hard. Into this pine, it works pretty good. Anything harder, you'd have a tougher time with. But anyhow, I thought I'd show you guys that, because this makes a great little gift. Eventually, I'm going to get this in a large, a 2 by 2.5 aluminum plaque, and put by the front driveway, and get a yard light to shine on that at night that recharges during the day. So I think that would look cool. Anyhow, great idea for gifts. So you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on my next video.